Morning, everybody. I'm out for my Saturday walk. It's minus 32 and it's snowing. Yeah, it's snowing today. Yeah. What a glorious day to go for a walk. Oh, wait. I'll put my there, I put my hood on. Yeah, got my toque, my hood, but I have another hood. Put two hoods, or my toque and my hood on. Yeah, it's pretty chilly. It's snowing, it's starting to snow. Yeah. Snowing. And it's a glorious day to go for a walk, yeah. Nature walk. That's where I came from, this back alley. I'm going that way, down to the river. Yeah, I'm going down to the river, yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's nice. Yeah. Yeah, nice day. Oops, there. There's a building. There's a building. Oh, yeah, it's glorious out. You get that crisp winter air in your lungs. Yeah. Happy to be alive. So you can go walk in a storm. Yeah. Uh-oh. Which way should I go? I don't know. Let's see. There's the hall. Norlight Hall, that's what it's called. See that hall there? There's the church. There's a church and a hall. Yeah. But I'll keep going. Get the heart rate pumping and getting your exercise. Because you're walking in the snow. See? The snow. See, it's pretty high still. See? It's like up to my thigh, you know. There's lots of snow still. Yeah. It's windy. And it's snowing a bit. That's when you go for your walk. Yeah. Yeah. I wonder if I should go that way. I think I'll go this way. Yeah, I'm gonna go this way. See? I think there's a path over there. Yeah. Nobody again walking. No. Not very many people walk nowadays. No. They don't want to walk, I guess. Especially when it's chilly. Yeah. Yeah, it's a bit chilly. Yeah. See, that's where I'm going over there. I'm going that way. That way. Yeah, there's nobody here. Oh, gee. It's slippery still, but yeah. Yeah, it's real slippery. I wonder if I should go on the path there. Yeah, I'll go on the path. Then go underneath there. Go underneath and go around. Yeah. Now I'm going to switch it. I'll show you where I'm walking. See? See how bad the path is? Yeah. Yeah, I'm going over there. Under the bridge and to the park over there. Yeah. There I am again. See how bad it is, the path and all that? Yeah, 'cause you kind of have to make your own path. Yeah. It's just like life. You have to make your own path in life. Yeah. Choose your own destiny. Yeah. Okay. And there. See the train? Or the train bridge is way down there. Yeah. I'm going underneath. And it's still snowing. Yeah. It feels a little cold, but not that cold, no. Yeah. There. I'm going to switch it again. Oh. See the flag way over there? In the distance there? And the bridge. Yeah. That's where I'm going. I'm going to the flag. And this is the path I'm taking. Then, there, look at that. Who wants to eat that? McDonald's cheeseburger, 100% Canadian. McPicks. Did you see that big cheeseburger? Oh, there it is. Oh, what if I ate a big cheeseburger like that? That would take you a while, yeah. Yeah, to eat a cheeseburger that big, yeah. See that? There's a church steeple. The church steeple behind me, yeah. Ain't nobody around. Nobody at all. Just me. Oh, there's traffic. There's cars and all that, but not where I'm walking. Yeah, there's nobody. That's a glorious day. See the train bridge? I'm going underneath it. Yeah, I'm going underneath it. There, I'll show you the sign. See the sign there? It says Hudson Bay Railway. Yeah, see that sign? Hudson Bay Railway. Hudson Bay is way down there. Way down there. Yeah. Then right there it says 1965. That's when this was built, this train bridge. This was built in 1965. Yeah, it says right there. Yeah, and I'm in Manitoba, Canada. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's getting pretty brutal. It's windy. It's chilly. Yeah, see the snow? Or it's getting windy and the snow is blowing and it's snowing and it's chilly. Yeah, it's probably about -30. Yeah. bit chilly. Yeah. Oh yeah, it is windy. Pretty windy. I'll put my other hood on there. There. I got 3 layers. I got my toque, my sweater, and then my jacket hood. There. It's a glorious day, yeah. Yeah, glorious day for a walk. Oh, I'm all crooked. That's all right. I don't mind my toque and stuff being crooked, you know. Yeah, and there's the park. The path is that way. Oh yeah, you can see where is it? The flag flapping there. Yeah. I'm going to continue walking in the storm. Yeah. Pretty bad storm. Windy, holy. Is it ever windy? Holy. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, it is windy. Here's the other side again. See how windy it is and stormy. See, that's how windy it is. You see all the stuff flying around. Yeah, and it's me again. Yeah. So I'll keep walking. It's pretty cold now. Yeah, you can feel the cold now. Yeah. Walking in this cold. Yeah. Well, it keeps you healthy. Keeps your heart pumping, and you go for a nice brisk walk. I don't think too many people walk in minus 30 degrees anymore, no. Yeah. Everybody's used to driving. Yeah. Yeah, everybody's used to driving everywhere nowadays, yeah. I don't think very many people walk very much anymore, no. No, not that much. Yeah. Especially not now. When it's cold like this. No. Not very many people walk when it's cold. So I'm heading for the river. See if it's still open. It should be open. I don't know if it's open. It was open last week. Thought I heard something. Yeah. I thought I heard something. Maybe it was on the bridge there. Yeah. Maybe it was a abominable snowman. You know, when it lives in the snow here. It's like a Bigfoot. Yeah. Audible snowman. Or maybe it was a moose. Yeah. Hope it was a moose. Or a deer. Yeah. Excuse me. Yeah, how's it going? Oh yeah, the river's still open. Yeah. Here, I'll switch it. I'll switch it so I can show. Here's the bridge, the train bridge. The train bridge. And underneath the bridge here, yeah. See, the river's still open. It's open for a long ways there. Yeah, see it? It's still open there. Still open underneath the bridge. Yeah. Yeah, see the bridge? Or the train bridge and the regular bridge. Yeah. Oh, sorry, but yeah, it's still open. Yeah, there's the train bridge. There's the bridge. See the bridge? Goes all the way across. Yeah. All the way across over there to the other side of the river. Then here's the train bridge. Goes all the way across too. Yeah. It's still pretty windy. Yeah. Still windy and cold. And snowing. Yeah, snowing too. There's under the bridge. See under the bridge? See under the bridge? Yeah, it's all drawn and all that. And there's the river. See the river's over there. And it's still windy and stormy. There's the flag flapping in the wind. You see the flag? Yeah. Yeah, it's still snowing. There. Me and the flag. You see the flag? Yeah. There's the boat. There's the boat. And there's the rail car and the flag. And there's the bridge. Goes all the way across. Across to the mall. The mall's over there. See it? See it all there. The bridge and everything. And me. Okay. That'll be my walking videos for this Saturday. Okay. Bye. Bye everybody. Bye. Thank you for watching.